But first of all, what are you gonna do with all those eggs?
Well, we need dessert, of course, to end the night. And my grandma, I was looking at her old cookbook, she used to make custard pie for the restaurant. But you know, I'm thinking, how about just custard? Because we don't need the pie shell, we gotta be kind of healthy, right? And custard's so light and delicious, and it takes a bunch of eggs. So I'm thinking, all right, what can I do with eggs? We're gonna have custard. That sound good?
So was Gertrude unhappy when you took all her eggs?
She doesn't care, as long as I give her like a snack, like something green, she's like happy to let me take the eggs.
So she's not broody right
We do a
now.
trade. We do a trade-off on stuff.
Well, let's make some custard.
And this is super easy. And what I'm gonna, and a lot of people use milk or half and half. I like heavy cream on mine, a heavy cream and everything. And I am gonna go ahead, and we're not gonna, old people used to say scald the milk. So you wanna get it, just warm it up a little bit. You don't wanna boil it.
I remember scalding milk.
Scalding the milk. So
It had a very peculiar smell.
So you're in charge of this. You get a spoon. If you burn it, I can blame everything on you.
So you don't want it burnt.
You do not. We just want to scald it and get it warm.
You just want to warm it up.
Yeah. And while you're doing that for me, this is a very easy recipe. I'm going to do 6 eggs.
You know, custard, when you think about it, it's kind of an old-fashioned thing. You don't talk about it every day.
But I like it. I like, you know me, I like the light and fluffy desserts. So this to me is so light and fluffy. When you eat it, it just melts in your mouth. It's like you're not eating anything.
This was actually the exact same dinner that we had the other night when Elizabeth was over.
It is. And she took all the custard last time. She told me if we make some tonight, she has to have the leftovers, if there's any left. So I'm gonna do 6 eggs. I have got a half a cup of sugar.
All right. Doesn't seem like a lot of sugar.
No, it's not terrible, right?
So you think half a cup of sugar, that's a lot of sugar. Well, it is if you just ate it all at once. But we're talking about we're just gonna eat a little slice.
So you're saying it's healthy?
Oh.
Yeah, okay. We are gonna take, this is half a teaspoon of salt.
We're doing good here?
You're doing really good. It doesn't look like it's burning. You can just stick your finger in when you want to test it. That's kind of how I test it. What do you think?
What do you want? Just like...
Kind of getting warm, like about over 100 degrees, but not boiling.
We're getting close.
We're getting close? Okay, perfect. I'm gonna take some vanilla and I'm gonna put actually a teaspoon and a half. That's a half teaspoon, so I need 3 of these. And that is all that's in this mixture. How are we doing?
You know what, sometimes when you're doing a recipe, you have somebody over, or I love it when I have company, and I say, what would you like me to cook? And they say, well, try this or try that. I love to be challenged. Sometimes when you don't really have a plan, but you got some peppers sitting around, some onions, this thing that I'm making tonight is just so easy.
It is.
I'm gonna put this like, is that getting there?
You're getting there. You're good. Keep going, sorry.
So on the grand scheme of things, on the 1 to 10 hard scale, I'm gonna say it's a 4.
It's pretty easy.
It's pretty easy.
But you're good at throwing stuff together.
Yeah, we really enjoyed that, and I enjoyed your custard too.
All right, what do you think? Is it getting warm? We just don't want it boiling, but we do want it warm.
That's pretty warm.
Pretty warm?
What
All
do you
right,
think?
I think it'll be perfect. Let me try. Cream is so delicious.
Dig it?
I am. Now, if you want to slowly pour that in here for me, I'm just going to mix it in with our egg mixture over here.
Why are you doing that?
Yes, thank you. See how simple this is?
Is that slow enough?
You're doing perfect. Usually I do it myself. It's harder, so this is nice having you help
You
me.
want all of it at one time?
I do want all of it. Just keep going. We're good.
All right. So is the egg the actual thickener, so there's no flour?
This is it.
Interesting. You know what's funny is you don't really watch me when I'm cooking stuff, and I don't watch you, so even though you make this and I have it and enjoy it, I don't watch you do it until
do we actually do it?
on a show.
All right, that's it. And now I'm going to also do kind of a double boiler type thing and this helps it not burn in the oven.
Right.
So there's a little bit of water in
Have
there.
to cook evenly and without
evenly.
burning or scorching.
Exactly. And we're going to pour this. And I just use these pans because I like them. They're cute, but you can just use a 9x9 as long as the pan around it has water. This makes enough pretty much for a perfect 9x9. This makes it perfect for my oven.
Now, did you put salt in there?
Yes, I did. Half a teaspoon.
Well, son of a gun.
And now we want to make the top pretty.
All right.
Put a little nutmeg on here. And I want some cinnamon too. What do you think?
So is your water already warm in
It's
here?
warm, but it's not. There wasn't that much. It's not hot, but I got it warm. It's going to go in the oven for 45 minutes exactly. And I'm going to poke it with a knife. It will look like this still, like it's not done. If the knife comes out clean, we're good.
You're good to go.
We're good to go. I'm gonna do
Cinnamon. It's just such a simple kind of old-fashioned thing,
Yes,
but
it
it tastes
is.
so good.
All right, what do you think? Good?
Looks
Beautiful?
good to me.
All right, if you get the oven for me, it's at 350. And don't let me forget to watch it, 45 minutes.
So we went from Cajun Creole to custard.
Yes.
So if you have a little bit of that heat, this will
You
cool
need
you
this.
right down. Now you can chill this, but it's also good warm.
Right, and we let it, and you saw, I actually, when we checked it, you know, see how it's still shaky? We put a knife in. As long as your knife comes out clear, which ours did, it's good to go.
So if it gloms up a little bit, it's not done.
You keep her going. We went 45 minutes. Sometimes you have to go 50, so let's just go.
I'm telling you what, this is just look at that. Look at the consistency of
We're
this.
just gonna scoop some out. See how it is? Ooh.
Oh my.
Is that enough for you?
This is this custard's last stand.
This is my ghost custard because when you eat it, watch it melts in your mouth.
Oh, that smells so good with that nutmeg on it.
See how it just melts? I love this.
You know what? For some reason, I guess it's the nutmeg. It's like a Christmassy thing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so good.
And as it sits, it'll firm up in the fridge if you want to make pieces. But I like it. This is still hot, and we're just scooping it.
You know, I didn't have any the last time. I don't think. I think you and Elizabeth ate.
She ate all of it.
But wow.
I could eat this every day. See, doesn't it seem healthy and light? Really, there's not a whole lot in
Well,
it.
it's just eggs.
Yeah, eggs and a little bit of cream.
What a great way to use some eggs up. Oh my.
I might have another
That's
bite.
tip top right there.
Yes, it is. You gotta quit eating.
Oh. You better hide that from me.
Okay.